Sagist Group, crafting global luxury hospitality. Sagist Group Hotel Furniture Factory specializes in providing luxury, bespoke, and turnkey furniture solutions to the global hospitality sector. As a leading manufacturer, we offer a seamless, end-to-end service covering design, production, and worldwide logistics. Our products and solutions. We are experts in manufacturing high-end hotel furniture for all areas, including luxurious guest rooms, sophisticated public spaces, and bespoke F&B outlets. Every piece is meticulously crafted to meet international quality standards and the unique aesthetic demands of our clients, ensuring durability and timeless elegance. Our services. Our core strength is our turnkey service. We manage the entire furniture project lifecycle, from initial concept drawings and material selection to manufacturing, quality control, packaging, and white glove delivery, regardless of the project's location.